SINAMIC S200 servo drive system includes a servo drive, a servo motor, cables and connectors. A shielding plate kit and terminals are also provided with the servo drive as accessories. Plug-in drive terminals make operation and maintenance fast, convenient, and simple. Currently using the shielding plate kit provided with the SINAMIC S200, ensure that the system is not only compliant with the stringent EMC requirements, but also has an enhanced reliability. SINAMIC S200 provides the safe torque-off function and is enabled by default. There are two STO channels for connection to external safety devices. Please assemble the STO plug to the interface X131 when you use the safety function. If the safety function is not needed, please insert the STO disable plug to the servo drive. For motor shaft height from 20 to 40 mm, a new dual cable is adopted. Before installing, remember to select the proper cable direction for your application: drive and outlet or non-drive and outlet. After confirming the right cable direction, open the lever. Plug the housing in the receptacle on motor side, push and lock the lever, and ensure that the claw is locked with the rib well. You can disconnect the cable either manually or with a screwdriver. Open and lift the lever to 90 degrees. You can unplug easily. For motor shaft height over 40 mm, use the metal circular connectors and screw down. It's easy to adjust the outlet direction with rotating connectors. Unlike the sharp bump on the connector side and the servo drive side, a successful connection takes only one step. To remove the connector, you can safely pull it out by pressing both sides of the plug housing. The new dual cable connection is optimized to deliver effortless and reliable connectivity. Using Siemens cables, the servo drive system can achieve high interface immunity and operate reliability.